Hey, what's going on, y'all? Just left Kaiser in Columbus. See, I got my skinny on TU. Had a nice little conversation with my boy Pat. Nice to meet him. I missed the box truck couple. Hope they're safe. Being safe on that road. About to head to Sun Prairie, Wisconsin. About 15 minutes away from Madison. It is Tuesday. It's about noon. Tuesday, May the 31st. I should be there Thursday the 1st, June 1st. Drop off is going to be June 2nd, 6 a.m. So during the course of me taking this load up there, I'm going to be trying to find something. Maybe I'm going to zigzag the Midwest for a little bit, or talk to my great plug, my great broker, and see if she has something coming back out here in Columbus. And if that's the case, I'll find something back here to the south, Birmingham, Atlanta, Nashville, something like that. Was I supposed to stop here? No. I'll get gas at the other spot. And then just deadhead back. So I ain't been on the road in a minute, man. Hired a driver probably about 2 months ago. And he's been doing a great job. Can't lie. How the kids say, I can't lie. But Darius Lynn, King Mankey, he's been doing an exceptional job. Shout out to him, man. He deserved this break, but why he's on this break, that truck gotta move, bro. The truck can't just sit there. Because if the truck is just sitting there, man, you ain't making no money. I'm gonna stop at Zelmo's. I'm gonna stop at Zelmo's, fill up, and we just see how this go, man. Like I said, back in the truck. We're gonna see how it go. I ain't been in here in a long time, but it'll come back to me. Alright, pulling the Opelika. About to get on 85 South, but before I do, I gotta give me something to eat, man. So my spot is right here at the Circle K. Give me some Churches, man. Quick little 3-piece leg and thigh. Back on the road. There will be somebody parked in my spot. I'm gonna park right behind them though. Landscaping guy. Come on, man. You gotta do better. They're all in my spot, man. What's wrong with them? As you can see, these are pretty high. I just got some $4.99 in Columbus, so I'm good. Can't go wrong with Churches, man. I stop at this Churches right here every time I'm coming back. Little 3-piece. Gonna hold me off till I eat tonight. Fresh. Give me a little drink. Got my water. Make sure you got your water right. Let's hit it. Time to go. Alright, am I tripping? Is this truck sideways? Look, y'all, look at it. I'm gonna try to get a little closer. It's way off. Look at that. It's like the front is twisted. I'm gonna get back behind them. Let's see this. I done passed through Birmingham. Look, y'all see it? I shouldn't be able to see the front of his car, the truck. His alignment is way off, like the axle is twisted or something. He's still driving it. All right, player. That's crazy. All right, so I made it to a stopping point. I'm in Carbondale, Illinois. It's going on 11 o'clock. Truck stop was full, so game right here. The next best thing is hotel parking lot. Tell you why. Lit, plenty of other cars, there's plenty of other trucks around. I'm between a Drury and a Hampton. And plus, you wake up in the morning, you walk up in there like you got a room there. Free breakfast. Bathroom, do whatever you need to do. I'm telling you. When I first started off, I never stayed at truck stops. I always stayed hotel parking lot and ate for free every morning. Mark my word. But it's about to be night. Oh, been a long day. And got about another 6-hour drive tomorrow. Shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna go when I wake up in the morning, try to get on this load board. Maybe I can pick a partial up, drop it off beforehand, and then make my way on up to Wisconsin, Sun Prairie, Wisconsin. And yeah, tomorrow's a new day. Everybody make sure you say your prayers. Keep God first. See you tomorrow. Good morning, good people, good too. It's about 7:30. So we about to try this. So what I do, I probably woke up probably about 30 minutes ago. Got my charger around my neck like I just came from my car. I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna go in the hotel. I'm going to go in the bathroom. And then if they got breakfast, I'm gonna sit and eat breakfast. So when I come in, they just think I'm coming in my car and getting the charger. So we gonna see. It always works on me. I'm ready to try to see if we can get some free breakfast. This little painting.
There you go.
Morning, how you doing?
Okay, how are you?
Good.
I'll get it for you. Come over here.
Hey, how you doing? Okay.
Kidding me?
I'm trying to think.
Oh, I see.
Let's try a couple. Another successful breakfast. Now, if that wasn't free game, man, I don't know what it is.
instead of going to a truck stop, which I actually did because flies. I'm used to being at a truck stop, but when I first started driving, I wouldn't. I would go to hotels, and that's where I parked in a nice little spot. And just to show y'all that I really did sleep in there. Some people gonna be like, man, he capping, he ain't do that, and he got his room. Nah, I don't pay for no hotel room unless I gotta do my 24 hours. I still got my thing up. You can see my blanket. My blanket is still up. I usually have two of them, but I just put one up because it's kind of hot, so I had the windows down. But yeah, that's the move. Instead of going to a truck stop, find your area to park on hotel grounds, well lit, and get up in the morning, get you a free breakfast, start your day out right. Okay, so we made it to Sun Prairie, Wisconsin. That's right outside of Madison, about 5 minutes. My drop-off is Costco, 6 o'clock in the morning. So, just to tell y'all what I like to do when I get to my destination, my delivery point, and the delivery is not until the next morning or the next day, I go ahead and try to find it, see what's the easiest way to get there, the easiest route. So when you have to get up in the morning, there won't be no mistakes. You know exactly where you're going. And then it's dropping it off and getting that money. So we here, not a bad drive. Probably did 6 hours from southern Illinois, Carbondale. That was about 6 hours. Shit's bang. Okay, making a lot of noise. But yeah, either I'll about to try to look up and see if there's a truck stop near, because I need to take me a shower and give me something to eat. Chill, lay it down, man. The hard part is over. Also get on this load board, find me something out. I already been looking at some stuff and made some contacts and out some emails. So about to check back on that stuff and see y'all in a little bit, man.